In this video, I'm just going to show you how to stop your YouTube Premium membership. So this works if you're in the 1 month trial period or if you have an ongoing subscription. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. And if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and comment below. I really do appreciate it, and it does help the video get out to more people. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up a browser. So what you want to do first is obviously come across to youtube.com, and then you just want to go ahead and make sure you're logged into the correct account, just one that you want to cancel your premium subscription for. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that now. And then once you're logged in to your account, what you want to do is just come to this menu on the left hand side, and all you want to do is just scroll down until you get towards the bottom, and you just want to click onto this settings tab down here. And then from here you want to look at the menu on the left hand side and actually come down to where it says purchases and memberships and go and give that a click. And you'll see currently it's got my premium membership here. So at the moment this is in the trial period. So to get some more information, all we want to do is click this Manage Membership button. And this is going to tell you a bit more information. So you can see that, yes, I got a free trial, which ends on the 28th of February. So I've just done this as an example for the purpose of this video. It's got the billing information you can change. And all you want to do is insert, it might say free trial if you're in a free trial, but if not, it's just going to say when your next payment is due. And all you want to do is just come and click this deactivate button, or it might say cancel or something along those lines. Just go ahead and give that a click. And what's going to happen, it's going to come up with a message basically saying, before you cancel, did you know you can pause? So what you can do is actually pause your membership for up to 6 months. So if you're in a position where you can't afford to do it for a few months or something along those lines, but you do want to carry on with the subscription, you can choose to pause it if you want to. However, if you do want to stop your YouTube Premium membership completely, what you want to do is click onto this Continue to Cancel button. And what they're going to do is ask you for a bit of feedback. This is just for YouTube. You don't have to select any of these options. You can just put never mind if you want to. In this example, I'm just going to click onto Other and then click Next. And then what's going to happen, you're going to get a final message come up like so. Just confirming that you do want to cancel and just again highlighting the benefits of YouTube Premium. But if you want to go ahead, then all you want to do is click onto Yes, Cancel. And what's going to happen is your premium benefits will be available until the end of this billing period. So what that basically means is I will have access to YouTube Premium until the 28th of February, which is when I would normally be charged next. If you do want to renew this at any point, you can just come back to this tab, click onto Manage Membership, and you'll see the button has changed to Renew. So you can just click onto that to reactivate your subscription at any point. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope that did help you out. And if that did help you out, as I say, please leave a like and drop a comment below. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one.